goes. Alright, now here goes the premium Willow shells. Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Backyard Fireworks. Hope everybody's having a great and wonderful day. Today we're going to be lighting some legal fireworks. We're going to be enjoying all these legal fireworks today. We got all sorts of different stuff, ranging from Excaliburs, we got some 6-shooters, a couple cakes, firecrackers, these little firecracker balls, crackling balls. One of my favorite cakes of all time, Desert at Night. We got some fountains, we got some other cool little fountains here, little heavy ones. We got Mobile Menace, one of the best 200 grams out there. I think I already mentioned these, $6 for those, great deal. We got neon lights, and yeah, we're just going to be enjoying some fireworks today. Hope you guys all sit along and enjoy. And yeah, if you guys aren't subscribed to, by the way, make sure you guys subscribe. It's free, and it helps me out so much. You can always change your mind later. Let's go hop into some of these fireworks here. Okay, we're going to light these crackers as well as these, and then we are going to move into this stuff. And then after these crackers, we're going to light these 1,000 roll. I think it's 1,000 roll. I'm not sure. I don't think it says it on there. I could be just blind. It's kind of dark. So, oh yeah, there it is. It says 1,000. Okay, so let's see if I can find the fuse. Okay, yeah, there it is. We're gonna go take this out there and light it off. I love lighting firecrackers. Something about them. These cherry bombs. I always light them in my videos when you guys can clearly tell I like the firecrackers. Turn this on. Okay, I think we're gonna light just one more of these and then the roll of thousands, and I'm gonna save that for another video so I can spread them out a little bit so I don't light all of them off. You see, I purchased these actually at a firework tent. I forgot how many there were, but there was a whole bunch. I got a really good deal on them. Okay, so we're gonna light these off. I was debating on lighting them on, like stretching them out and lighting them, but I do that quite often, so I'm just gonna light the bunch. I'm gonna put them a little further away than usual, and yeah, here they go. Okay, we are going to light these little crackling balls, and then we are going to move into some artillery shells. Doesn't want to stay up for me. It's okay. Still light it though. Okay, I'm gonna light the next one over here in the grass. Those are pretty cool. I love how wide they are. These are so affordable too. Nice little cloud of smoke. Maybe we'll get some of these mosquitoes away for me. Okay, here goes the third and final one. Didn't get it. Okay, the next one is the little fountain. I don't really know what this does. It's really heavy though, and the wrap's upside down, which is kind of weird, but Oh, it's one of these flashers. I don't know why I thought it was a fountain. Oh man, this might last a while. I might just light one of these. You know, I had a feeling that it did that, but I wasn't quite sure. I don't think I'm going to light the other one off just because I don't think you guys want to sit here and watch that. Okay, the next one we're going to light is this fountain by Magnus fireworks. And then we're going to move into Desert at Night. And then we are going to start with some of the artillery shells, and we're going to finish off with those cakes. It's a lot of smoke, which kind of stinks, but that was a good little fountain for the price. Okay, we're going to be lighting Desert at Night, one of my favorite cakes. A little hybrid. Well, that's a good one for $1.99. Okay, we're going to light these little mini artillery shells, and we're going to go into the Willow and the Excals, and then some of the cooler cakes we got. Alright, that's some pretty blue effect. I think I'm only going to light 3 of these off, and then I'm going to light all 6 of the Willows. Maybe not all 6, but at least a good amount of them. That was a pretty effect. I think I like the second one a little more than the first. These are pretty good little artillery shells. I find that these little red rhino ones are good. And they're usually like a dozen for under, $8 or $9. At least most places in Missouri. Even the tents sell them for pretty cheap. That was just like the first one. Alright, we're going to go into those willow shells. Alright, now here goes the premium willow shells. Probably my favorite ball shell on the market that's not a can. Love the willows. Set this out here. Those are so pretty. Okay, here goes the second one. I think they had a kind of a low break. I'm curious what this pink string is around the ball shell. I don't think that means it's going to be pink. I think they're all the same, but I don't know. I could be wrong. Those are so pretty. Yeah, that little pink thing didn't have anything to do with it. I'm going to light one more willow, I think. Just because, I mean, they're all the same, but I'll save it for a next video. Conserve them a little bit. Even though I want to light every single one. Okay, here goes this. And we're going to move on to some Excaliburs. that's just beautiful. Red one. Okay, we're gonna light 2 more off. You can see we got the green one. Here she goes. I missed it. Oh, I missed it again. There it goes. Man, those have such a loud echo out here in the country. They go forever. Okay, here goes the last Excal. Then we're going to move into the cakes we got. Alright, here we go. Oh, that's a low breaker. Breaked a little low. A little bit of a low breaker on those Excals. Okay, now we're going to light this 16 shot neon light cake. Hopefully it doesn't have to be. Actually, I'm still gonna light it like this. Just sandwiched in there. Always hold your fireworks down. Actually, yeah. Okay. Yeah, I thought I noticed it start to tip over a little bit. I'm glad that's why you always put it in between wood, because you never know about these cakes. You always gotta sandwich it between something. Bricks are probably the best, I'd say, because they're impossible to like move or flip sideways. That's probably why I should get out here. But this goes, little finale cake is one of my favorite 200 grams out there. Honestly, I say that about everything, but this is definitely top 5 on my list. Alright, here she goes. Hope everyone enjoyed that video. I always love lighting fireworks for the 4th, and I lit some of my favorite ones off just to get ready for the 4th of July. I always like to get really excited and have a bunch of fun. And yeah, I lit all of my classics and favorite ones off. As you can see, Mobile Menace, man, this one never disappoints. I think I'm definitely going to have to throw a couple of these for the 4th show. Maybe pair it with Silver Screen or something. That'd be pretty interesting. Or something along the lines of Brothers. But yeah. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Subscribing's free. You can always change your mind later. Plus, it helps me out a bunch. I know I already mentioned it, but just repeat myself because, you know, why not? Thanks, guys, and hope you guys all have a really good day. Peace.